Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I'm going to be doing this kind of smoky eye cut crease. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and also too, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Let's get started. Alright, so I have zoomed in, you guys, so you guys can see, since this is mainly going to be about the eyes. You guys have seen me do my face a million times, so this video is going to be a focus on the eyes. So the color that I'm going to be using on my eyes is this one right here. I'm going to do a brown smoky eye. I'm going to use Fame Game, and then I'm going to use Show Off as well. And then I'll probably use a little bit of Decadent AF and Super Swany. So 1, 2, 3, these 4 colors right here. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids with Painterly Paint Pot, and I've set that with a little bit of translucent powder. And then I've also done my eyebrows, which you can see I've changed the color. Normally I do a little bit darker, but my hair is a little bit more brown. Well, my hair is brown now, so I've changed my eyebrow color to Strut. It's Eyebrow Pencil by MAC. I'm going to take this large 252 brush to pat this brown all over my lid. It's my base, Fame Game. I do want this color very intense, so I'm going to start it right here, and I'm going to keep it really low. Very dark. I'm going to take it a little bit over the crease, just a little bit, not too much. We want to keep this low because I'm going to be adding probably 2 more shades of brown on top of this to blend everything together. And you want to keep it in a circular motion. Take it a little bit over the crease like that. Next, I'm going to take my Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. This little booger right here. I'm going to take this brush to blend the next color in my crease. And that next color, you guys, is going to be Decadent AF. You guys know what the AF stands for. So I'm going to take that and just blend that in my crease. And you want to try to keep it as low as possible. Then I'm going to take my 224, my MAC, 224 blending brush, and then I'm going to go on with the lightest shade of brown, which is called Super Swanky. And you're going to do nice little cute circular motions on the edges. Okay, so you want to look something like that. Next, we're going to do our cut crease. And for that, I'm going to be using the Morphe white concealer. You guys. And I'm just going to swipe the brush, get a little bit of product. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with this. Make sure you even it out on the brush flat like that. Okay. And we're not going to cut this crease all the way. We're just going to cut it a little bit. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. I'm going to take a little bit of Show Off, this glitter color. So I have went back in and I just added a little bit of You Fancy here to blend in the brown and the glitters together. Okay. Then I went back in with a little bit of the Fame Game and darken my crease. And now I'm going to smooth out the crease again with my two lighter browns, Decadent AF and Super Swanky. Just going to blend those out. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to finish the other eye. Then I'm going to add liner, lashes, mascara, and then do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. And so I am finished with this look. As you can see, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please feel free to comment down below, and also too, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.